Hello, happy new year. Wishing you all a very happy 2021, guys. And welcome to my show on Namami Life. This is Kitty Kalra. Hey Sonam, hi. And happy to have you all back again. We together in 2021. And I wish I could hear you talk and ask about you and your New Year resolutions. Happy New Year, Sonam. Well, I guess we all have that same New Year resolution year after year of being fit, of maybe weight loss or getting fitter, toner, fitting into one dress size or two dress sizes smaller. But I guess 2020 has changed a lot of things. Yes, 2020 was a year where we focused more on health, fitness and building immunity. क्या क्या पापड़ नहीं बेले हमने जिंदा रहने के लिए. And it's such a joy and it's such a blessing and gratitude to the universe that we are all alive. We came out alive in 2021. So let's keep that motivation going. Let's keep that passion and the obsession going to stay fit, to stay healthy and be consistent with whatever you worked out, whatever you ate, however healthy you were in 2020, and add a more holistic and a sustainable approach to our lifestyle, guys. I have questions coming up. I'm going to answer the questions towards the end, but let's just talk about the resolutions and let's talk about how you can get fitter. And I'm here today to bring to you a fitness guide for 2021 that you guys can follow, and how you can plan your workouts, how you can plan to get fitter, a regime here, and what you need to follow and know, guys. We all need to have a better understanding of our own body, build more willpower so that we can go strong, and that's the only way to get fitter and with better planning. Now, let me tell you that the 5 aspects of a fitness routine that will keep you wired, will keep you healthy and going are muscular training, guys, cardiorespiratory training, core fitness or training and strength, mobility training, and rest and recovery. So these are the 5 aspects that you all need to bring in mind when you're planning your workouts and how your workouts are going to be. We'll come to the workouts later. I am going to again bring to you and tell you some simple, easy workouts and also a workout plan that you guys can follow, okay? Maybe some of you are just beginners. Maybe some of you have recovered from COVID, so you need to take it slow, guys. And yes, if you've recovered from COVID, please go easy for the next 2 months, guys, and start with little walks and then start picking up a little strength training. And I give up on 3 sets. I love your questions. I'm going to come back to them. I'm making a note of them here. So, and knees. Okay, guys. So that's what it is. If you've recovered from COVID, your heart and lungs are still very weak, guys. So do not think that I should get back to fitness. I should get fit again quickly, because I know we all want to be up and about, and somewhere deep down we feel, why did we get it? Are we fit? Are we not fit enough? We didn't look after ourselves, or our immunity was too low. So we all want to get back with a bang again to become even more fitter, right? But please go slow. Try and only do small little easy workouts and start with walks, okay? I will bring to you and tell you about the easiest and the best way of planning your workout. But let's come back to those 5 aspects that I just told you that you have to incorporate into your workout plan, guys, in 2021 to stay fitter and more healthier and have a consistent workout plan, okay? Don't let it just go down the drain when February comes in. Don't just let it be a every January's plan, okay? So if we talk about muscular training, guys, hey Sanyam. So if we talk about muscular training, it actually building muscle increases the overall strength and fitness and builds lean mass, guys. It's very essential for for longevity, to get healthier bones, more strength, and to fight injuries, osteoporosis, and of course other issues that are related to your ligaments, your spine, and all that. And what does muscle training do? It not only helps you in your day-to-day activity, guys, when you're sitting, when you're standing, how you get up in a minute from a chair or your bed, or how much time do you take to bend down and then get up, and to lift even basic things. Okay, that is how muscular training comes into play, and that is how that is going to help you build strength. Okay, guys, apart from that, muscular training adds more life to your ears and to your face and body as well. It makes you actually look younger, guys, and it actually reverses your doesn't really take you back in age, but it's an age reversing organ. So you start looking younger because you start building muscle, guys. Plus, the more muscle you have, the faster you'll burn fat, and the better metabolic rate you'll have, guys, especially even when you're at rest. Even if you're not working out, guys, if you did a workout in the morning, or if you're working out regularly 5 or 6 days a week, even when you're at rest, do you know that your body is still burning fat and calories? And that is only possible when you build muscle, guys. It doesn't really happen when you go through too much cardios, when you do too much of running, jogging, swimming, cycling. And if you do not bring in strength training, guys, all that cardio, the cycling, the swimming is fab actually, not swimming, guys. Running, cycling and dancing can be harsh on your joints. So you need to start building up strength into your bones so that you can keep on going with both the plan and have your cardio and strength training going. And that is where muscle comes there into play, and also to keep your weight in check, guys. Muscle is very important to build shape and give you that definition. If you want those cuts, then you have to start building and doing muscular training. Let's move to cardio-respiratory training. I'm trying to gain weight. Oh my God, we rarely hear that. So you need to eat all healthy fats, gain weight. I'm going to come back to that after my session, after 20 minutes, guys. Let's just hold on because it just gets lost when I keep mixing up with your answers and questions. So I am going to answer them, but let's just hold on. Cardio-respiratory training is what exactly how it sounds. It's cardio. What does it do? It builds more heart and lung strength, guys, so that you're at your best levels with your blood pressure, with your congestions, with your circulation. It increases all of that and keeps your heart going in the best of health. And that is where cardio-respiratory training comes into play. So you do need to bring it twice or thrice a week in your workout plan, guys. Whatever plan you're going to do this year for 2021, bring in about 2 days of cardio if you're over 40 years and you cannot do too much cardio. Otherwise, let's do 3 cardios or high intensities and 3 strength training or muscular training workouts. Third one is very important, guys. What we said was core training or core strength, right? And that is the most important. Core strong hai to puri body strong hai. I'm a Pilates trainer, and our founder of Pilates, Joseph Pilates, actually said, you are as young as your spine is. Which is true, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree, because every third person is down with a backache, a back problem, a spine issue, a slip disc. And why is that? Because our core is not strong, guys. And obviously, if your core is not strong, if you have a backache, तो आप वर्कआउट कैसे करेंगे? और आप वर्कआउट करना भी चाहेंगे तो भी आपकी बॉडी अलाउ नहीं करेगी. You will again be laid up in bed because of a bad back. And that's where you need to build core strength. What is core, guys? It is not just abs. It's not just your spine. Core is actually from your shoulder to your hips there. It's all your upper torso, from your shoulder, front and back, lower back, spine, obliques. That's all a composition that actually makes your core. So you've got to work on the fitness and strengthening of all those muscles which are in that trunk. Okay. And that's why core is the one which actually contributes to your postural strength, stability, and also builds your overall strength, guys. Builds in all your legs and arms. Everything is going to be strong if your trunk is strong, guys. So core stability is very important. And once you have a strong core, you will have a healthier body, guys. You can do your everyday functions better and all your other activities also, guys. Okay. And yes, Pilates is the best way to build core. We are going to come to it later again. But let me just tell you here, Pilates is really the best way, and mat work is really good to build core, even yoga for that matter. Okay, guys? More body weight workout is really great to build core. The fourth one we talked about was mobility training, guys. Now, what is mobility training? It's about your joints, about how strong your joints are. And it's very important to keep your joints strong, because otherwise we are going to keep getting into injuries, right? You have to have strength there in your connective tissue, in your muscles, to keep those joints lubricated so that they help you function better, right? It's simple common sense. आपके joints strong होंगे तो आपकी strength strong होगी. Your range of motion will be better if you have more mobility strength in your body, be it your legs, your hands, or any other connective tissue or muscles. And the last one that you really need to keep in mind, guys, even if you're working out like crazy, is called rest and recovery. Yes, a lot of us don't do that. I also really don't like to rest. I love to work out all 7 days, guys, and it's really hard to keep me not doing anything. But I won't lie, I just go for an easy walk on my 7th day of rest, and I don't tax my body. I don't do crazy stuff to tax my muscles, so that recovery sets in, guys. It's very important for that to have that 1 day or time of rest for your body, guys, so that your muscles heal, repair, and again get rejuvenated for that next day of workout. If you don't do recovery, and if you're not resting those muscles out, one, you will get burnt out with your workout or with that overtraining. And then also you can be more prone to injuries, guys. Okay, so rest days are very, very important. So these are the 5 aspects that you need to remember when you bring in a workout plan for 2021, guys. The main to your fitness guide. Now, what other than these 5 aspects when they're all in? What other than these to let you go happily and to continue your fitness journey, guys? A happy workout. Find your happy workout, whatever you love to do, guys. Whether you like to dance, you like to go for a walk, you want to jog, you want to do your strength training, anything, but find that happy workout that will actually make you look forward to going back to workout. Okay, if it's something which your body is not agreeing with and your mind is not agreeing, अगर आपको जबरदस्ती उठ के जिम जाना है क्योंकि वर्कआउट तो करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें फिट रहना है, क्योंकि हमें जिंदा रहना है, you will start burning out, guys. So you need to find a happy workout where you really look forward to going, and that's when the results will also start coming in, guys. Okay, so your happy workouts have to be consistent. Other than that, find a very intelligent trainer if you're doing personal workouts, or get and join a nice group class that will keep you motivated, guys. It's very important to stay motivated with your workouts. So a group class is my favorite way of staying motivated. Now I'm a trainer, but I know about 10 years ago when I was not a trainer and I used to go to the gym, I would actually join group classes because it was so much fun to see the energy in the room, to see everyone happy and trying to get the best of themselves without really competing. I mean, a good competition, a healthy competition is always good, and it will help you push up your level, guys. But it's just good to see each other pushing themselves, and that is motivating enough, right? If you have to hold a plank and your trainer's shouting from the back that, come on, let's hold a 1-minute plank, or let's hold a 2-minute plank, guys. So you will try and push yourself when you see the other one really holding it up, and even if you want to drop down, you will probably just hold it and sustain a little more. So that's why your trainer or your Look class is very important. Other than that, I feel very important is the right music, guys. Let's hear peppy music when you're working out, whatever your happy music, in any language that you like, whatever, but play good music so you keep getting motivated to work out. And similarly, if you're working out at home, guys, and you're working out through some apps or videos, then find the level that works for you, guys. Don't go crazy about picking up apps just because your friends are doing that same app or videos. It just might not work for you guys or your level if you're a beginner or not. So try and find the best apps that work for you. I mean, there is so many apps now, fitness apps all around. And that's the way to go in 2021, guys. It's still going to be online training. It's still going to be a lot of virtual training, guys, because everybody is not ready to go back to the gyms. And a lot of cities are not yet opening all the gyms, right? Plus, we want to be safe and we want to still maintain social distancing. So it's good to do app-based workouts in the comfort of your home. And someone just asked me, is it possible to stay fit at home? Yes, of course. We didn't step out the whole of last year. But I'm sure we have more fitter bodies than ever coming out in 2021. So many people lost weight. So many people became fitter, healthier, because they were not eating out. They were not stepping out. So they had all the time in the world. So they could not really give an excuse कि हमारे पास time नहीं है. And that's why you can work out at home. Find a fitness regime that works for you. Plus, use the apps. Go in for online training. So that'll really work. Other than that, mix your workouts. Find a mix of workouts that'll keep pushing you to do better. Don't just stick to one boring workout every day because your body also gets bored and it doesn't challenge itself. I just simply always say कि जिस तरह से हमें नए-नए खाने अच्छे लगते हैं, उस तरह से the body also loves to try different workouts, guys. Should we do strength training every day? Not really. 3 to 4 days is great. Mix it other days with a cardio or a high intensity workout. And then, of course, if you can get a good partner to work out with, if you get a good, of course, in your home, if you have someone, or you find a friend who will walk with you, go to a gym, go for a workout class, then it again helps you. So these are all little things that can actually be, which can actually add up to your fitness journey and make you go fitter and motivate you. A lot of us, like you just asked me, can we stay fit at home? We will stay fit at home or we will get fitter if we just have a friend joining in and doing a workout with us, right? So plan your workout, guys. All I'm saying is you need to plan your workout journey for 2021. Don't just have a haphazard plan in your mind कि fit होना है. एक दिन जॉग कर लिया, एक दिन साइकिलिंग कर ली, एक दिन कुछ भी कर लिया, आज तो टाइम नहीं मिला तो कल 2 घंटे कर लेंगे. So you need to be consistent and plan your workouts, plan your day. It's not important to work out every morning or in the morning, guys. You can work out at a time that works for you. It could be 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It could be 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it could be at 8 o'clock at night. I drink coffee, yes. And it's not black. It's got a little milk, but no sugar. So that's what it is. It's not important to be working out in the morning just because everyone does that more often. It's not. There are no rights and wrongs, okay? Joint knee pain. Okay, I'm going to answer that question to Sonam. Before we move out to what kind of workouts can you guys do, guys? I'm going to give you a little workout plan कि आप क्या workout करें घर में और किस तरह से plan करें अपना weekly workout so that you can continue and you get results, okay? So back to Sonam's question. Sonam, knee strengthening करिए and you need to start having glucosamine, chondroitin tablets or capsules. It's called glucosamine, Glucosamine. It's actually glucosamine, but if it comes with a combination of chondroitin, it's called glucosamine chondroitin. Have that, Sonam, and it'll start helping you build more strength. Apart from that, Sonam, start having collagen powder, please. If you go on Amazon, there are a lot of collagen powders available. Collagen is very important to build bone health. Uske alawa, don't wear heels and start doing little walks. Don't do very brisk walking, and do not walk on hard surface. So if you're going for a walk, you need to walk on grass or bajri, which is like the granules, or those red granules जो बिछे होते हैं सड़क पे. I don't know where you are from, but in Delhi we have it at the Shri Fort Club. A lot of people go for walks, and also in a lot of parks. So bajri pe ya grass pe walk kariye. Don't walk on hard surface. Do a lot of knee strengthening exercises. I'm sure there are loads on YouTube, but I am going to be putting up a video as well on my Instagram handle called Kitty Kalra for knee strengthening next week. So do that, okay, with a cushion and with a TheraBand and a loop band. A loop band is a beautiful accessory, Sonam. Buy that, because next week I'm going to do that workout for knee strengthening. Okay, we have more questions, but I'm going to quickly give you a workout plan for the week, guys. How do you plan your workout to get fitter in 2021, and what your fitness guide should look like? A warm-up. First, let me just tell you about a warm-up which you can do every day. Some days it can just be a nice stretching warm-up session when you're doing strength training, and the other days you can just do a little bit of cardio in it. You can do jack. So what you can bring up in your warm-up is, if you're noting it down, you can all write that down. Warm-up ke andar, start with a jog for 1 minute or 100 count jog. You will do some big monster walks or high knees, again for 30 seconds. Do jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Do shoulder rolls inwards and outwards for 15 and 15 seconds, which is again 30 seconds. And then do arm scissors and arm circles in the warm-up. Do pelvic circles, guys. And do standing cat and camel. And apart from that, do some ankle rotation and knee rotation. So this is all that should be included in your warm-up. So your whole body is stretched and ready to work out. Okay, day 1. It should be a full body strength training workout plan, guys, and a circuit which every exercise should be done for 15 repetitions, around 15 for sure. You could do less if you have injuries and you don't have stamina or strength yet enough. And please do them all for 3 sets. Someone just asked me that I can only do 3 sets. It's fabulous. Usse zyada kya kar lenge? 3 sets is fabulous. How many people can do 3 sets? But if you can do 3, it is beautiful. So continue. If you can build it up, let's do 4. But definitely, let's all try and do 3 sets of these 5 workouts that I'm going to tell you on day 1. Strength training circuit, squats. Okay, you want to add cardio, you can do a little jump squats. Bent over rows, which is for the arms. And again, you want to do a little more leg work with it. You will do a joint squat and do your bent row squats, rows with it. Bicep to overhead curls or arm workout. Push-ups and Superman planks. And bicycle crunches. You can include, you can actually combine the push-ups and Superman plank, guys. So you can do a bicycle crunch as well. So these are the 5 exercises. Day 2, do a cardio based workout, which could be dancing, cycling, jogging, swimming, or a walking circuit. Okay. Day 3 should be core and mobility. And that is where Pilates or yoga comes into play. 4th day, again, do the same full body strength circuit workout with weights. You can change the exercises, but again, we're going to do those 5 exercises, 15 reps and 3 sets, guys. What are the exercises you'll do on the day 4 is tricep dips, plank, up, up, down, down, a side plank, and you can combine it with oblique crunches, guys. Forward and backward lunges and ab crunches. Okay. So these are the 5 exercises that you can do. And yes, Sudhir, Kala, you can do these after 50. I'm close to 50. I know I don't like to talk about my age, but jo hai to hai. And so these are the ones, Kala, you will not jump. Okay, so try and bring down the jumping part, But of course, all these exercises are fabulous for you even if you're over 50. Day 5, guys. Again, 20 to 40 minutes of an HIIT workout or Tabata. It's like a high intensity workout where you bring up your heart rate, then bring down 2 exercises that bring your heart rate down. Again, pump up your workout or exercises that bring up your heart rate and then bring it down. So that's a combination which goes on from 20 minutes to 40 minutes, whatever works for you guys. Day 6 is again Pilates or yoga. So there is your 6-day plan. Day 1, strength, full body strength circuit. Day 2 is cardiorespiratory work. Day 3 is core mobility, Pilates or yoga. Day 4 is again full body strength. You can use a TheraBand or you can do weights with it. Or you can actually do a TRX suspension training workout also on this day, guys. Day 5 is a 20 to a 40 minute HIIT workout. And day 6 is again Pilates or core workout. So that's there. I had some questions which I noted down. The sets I've answered, the knees I've answered, the weight. You want to put on weight, guys, eat healthy fats. Do olive oil more, do avocados, bring in more carbs. That's the way you will put on weight. But healthy carbs again, and no refined sugar. You can have dates, you can have maple syrup, stuff which is healthy, organic honey. But it'll help you put calories without being harmful on your body. Okay, so be careful about what carbs and what kind of fats you eat. Increase your food timing. Have your meals every 1.5 hour. Eat something. हर थोड़ी देर में avocado खा लीजिए, फिर थोड़ी देर में एक banana खा लीजिए, फिर थोड़ी देर में एक toast खा लीजिए with peanut butter. So every 1.5 hour, eat something. Okay. So you're still healthy and your metabolism is fast, but you're eating right stuff and not just accumulating that weight and fat. Okay, guys. So that is what it is. And if 2020 has taught us anything, then it's basically this, that we can work out without a gym. We can work out without a trainer. And we are so resilient that जिस चीज के लिए हम सोच लेंगे, we can do it. Right? So 2020, that's what it has taught us. So let's not let it go down the drain. Let it not go waste. Find your happy workout. Find your fitness regime that works for you. Eat healthy, eat smaller portions, have lots of water, sleep well, and try and do a little meditation. Stay connected to your body, to your mind and soul, and work on that willpower. It's not going to just help you be fitter. It'll help you stay happy and work on your mental well-being, guys. So keep moving and stay healthy and happy. I shall see you again towards the end of January. Be fit and stay glued on to Namami Life. Thank you, everyone. Take care.